7 cruisers, budget price tags, and a reliability record that genuinely embarrasses motorcycles costing twice as much. That is not a sales pitch. That is 15 years of watching bikes come back to dealerships, or not come back, and understanding exactly why. Because here's the uncomfortable truth about the budget cruiser market that most people in this industry won't say directly. The majority of them are built to a price, not built to last. Machines where the engineering decisions were made with the long-term owner in mind, rather than the showroom floor. I have personally bought and sold many of these machines, watched them accumulate serious mileage across diverse conditions, and track their ownership patterns over the years. What I am giving you today is not a recycled list from a press release. This is earned knowledge. 7 budget cruisers that refuse to break down in 2026, ranked by real-world reliability rather than specification sheets. Stay with me through every single entry, because the one I saved for last is the cruiser that surprised me most when I first looked at its long-term ownership data, and it is probably not the one you are expecting. If finding a budget cruiser that actually goes the distance matters to you, hit that like button, subscribe to Rider Archive, and let's get into all 7. This list took serious research to build, and every entry earns its place. Number 1. Honda Rebel 300. Honda builds engines the way experienced riders plan long trips, methodically, without shortcuts, with obsessive attention to what happens at mile 50,000 rather than mile 500. The Rebel 300 carries that DNA completely. Its single-cylinder engine is over-engineered for its displacement, service intervals are longer than any competitor in this class, and the global parts network means you are never hunting for components. In 2026, Honda refined the electrical connectors and fueling map further, addressing the small things other manufacturers treat as acceptable budget casualties. The result is a motorcycle that absorbs neglect better than it should and rewards proper maintenance with extraordinary longevity. This is the benchmark everything else on this list gets measured against. Number 2. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Royal Enfield spent years carrying a reputation built equally on charm and mechanical anxiety. The J-Series engine platform changed that conversation permanently. Tighter tolerances, better thermal management, and a fuel injection system proven across extreme climate variation have transformed what Royal Enfield delivers at this price point. In 2026, the Meteor 350 has accumulated enough long-term ownership data to say confidently, this is one of the most reliable sub-400cc cruisers available from any manufacturer at any price. Owners consistently report first services at scheduled intervals with 0 unplanned workshop visits. The fit and finish still trails Japanese rivals, but the mechanical core, which is ultimately what keeps you moving, is now genuinely world competitive. That is a remarkable turnaround by any measure. Number 3. Kawasaki Vulcan S650. Kawasaki does not generate passionate reliability stories because its bikes simply work without drama, and quiet dependability rarely fills internet forums. The Vulcan S650 borrows its parallel twin directly from the Ninja 650 family, an engine with millions of documented miles across global markets and virtually no significant known failure modes under normal use. Kawasaki tuned it for lower RPM cruising while retaining every mechanical quality that made the original trustworthy. Regular oil changes, a clean filter, correct tire pressure, follow those 3 basics and this motorcycle will embarrass machines costing significantly more. The Ergo Fit adjustment system extends usable life further by ensuring the bike fits properly, because a comfortable rider is always a more careful and consistent one. Number 4. Yamaha V-Star 250. Do not let 250cc dismiss this motorcycle from your consideration. The V-Star 250 carries one of the cleanest long-term reliability records in the entry-level cruiser category worldwide. Yamaha's engineering philosophy here is elegantly simple: fewer moving parts, straightforward maintenance access, and a mechanically uncomplicated V-twin that experienced mechanics can service quickly and inexpensively. Simplicity is an underrated reliability factor, and this engine exploits it brilliantly. In 2026, updated fuel injection has resolved the last genuine cold start complaint from older carbureted versions, delivering clean starts across all temperature ranges. For new riders building mechanical confidence and budget buyers who cannot afford workshop surprises, the V-Star 250 delivers dependability its price tag has absolutely no right to include. Number 5. Suzuki Boulevard S40. An engine stays in production for decades for one reason only: it works consistently across diverse conditions and ownership styles, without generating the warranty claims that force redesigns or retirements. The Boulevard S40's 652cc single-cylinder is Suzuki's longest-running power plant in current production, and that longevity is its most honest reliability credential. Refined in small, meaningful increments rather than dramatic overhauls, this motor's weak points have been systematically identified and eliminated over time. What remains in 2026 is a power plant with no significant known failure modes under normal use. It will not stir emotions at a traffic light, but connect with it across thousands of miles, and you will understand completely why its owners almost never sell them. Number 6. Honda Rebel 500. When Honda relaunched the Rebel nameplate with a 500cc parallel twin, it did something unusual for a budget motorcycle. It refused to feel like a budget motorcycle. The engine platform arrived already proven through the CBR 500R and CB 500F applications, with real-world miles and global ownership data confirming its reliability before the Rebel ever reached a showroom. Honda's fuel injection calibration on this platform is particularly impressive. Consistent cold starts, stable fueling at altitude, predictable throttle response regardless of conditions. These are precisely the details separating reliable motorcycles from unreliable ones in long-term ownership. The robust global parts supply and extensive community knowledge base mean you are never truly alone when any minor issue eventually does arise. Number 7. Benelli Imperiale 400. Benelli does not have Honda's reputation or Royal Enfield's recent momentum, which is exactly why most budget buyers overlook the Imperiale 400 entirely, and why that oversight is increasingly costing them a genuinely reliable option. The 374cc single-cylinder engine powering this motorcycle is conservatively tuned to a degree that gives it a significant reliability advantage. An engine running well within its mechanical limits simply does not wear the way a stressed power plant does. Valve clearances remain within specification for impressively long intervals. The fuel system has proven consistent across varied fuel quality conditions, and reported mechanical failures in the ownership community remain remarkably rare. In 2026, the Imperiale 400 represents one of the most undervalued reliability propositions in the entire budget cruiser segment. 7 cruisers, 7 different engineering philosophies arriving at the same fundamental destination: a motorcycle that keeps moving when everything around it seems designed to stop. After 15 years buying and selling bikes, tracking ownership patterns, and watching riders return to dealerships either satisfied or defeated, the pattern becomes impossible to ignore. Reliability is never accidental. It is the accumulated result of engineering decisions made years before you ever sit on the motorcycle. Decisions that either respected the long-term ownership experience or quietly sacrificed it against production cost targets. Every machine on this list made the right decisions where it mattered most. Drop a comment below telling me which one you would pick and why. I read every single response personally. Like the video, subscribe to Rider Archive, and I will see you on the next one. Ride far, ride reliable, ride smart.